The recommended 18 plants to effectively purify the air in your house. You should definitely have some of these plants in your house, apartment, office, etc. Well, having houseplants is a great way to keep your air clean. In this video we are going to show you the most effective plants to keep for filtering out pollutants and toxic chemicals in your home, office, apartment, etc. You should know that this list is based on a study done by NASA. Well, this study has found that certain plants were better at removing the following toxic chemicals from the air inside your home. Trichloroethylene. The most common symptoms related with this harmful chemical are excitement, dizziness, headache, nausea, and vomiting, followed by drowsiness and coma. Formaldehyde. You should know that exposure to this chemical can cause irritation to nose, mouth and throat, and in severe cases, swelling of the larynx and lungs. Benzene. If you breathe in this toxin, it can irritate the eyes and cause drowsiness, dizziness, headache, increase in heart rate, confusion, and in some rarer cases lead to unconsciousness. Xylene. This harmful chemical can cause irritation to mouth and throat, dizziness, headache, confusion, heart problems, liver and kidney damage, and coma. Ammonia. Well, this toxic fume can cause some bad side effects such as irritation, coughing, and a sore throat. The medical experts claim that many of these chemicals have been linked to dangerous health effects. In fact, air pollution kills thousands of people every year and could also be the reason why you are unable to lose weight. The researchers at NASA and other medical experts highly recommend that you should have at least one plant per 100 square feet of home or office space. Just follow this NASA guide to air filtering houseplants and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.